So here we have the Hostcomm real-time report, or wallboard effectively. We've got all of our key campaign settings here. So this is the real-time campaign summary, just showing the real-time wallboard for one particular campaign. There's also an additional report that will show you all of your agents across multiple campaigns in much the same way. So we've got our key campaign settings here, so our dial level. So we're making one concurrent call for every one agent logged in. How many dialable leads that we've got, minimum amount of leads allowed in the hopper, how many leads we've currently got in the hopper, and the hopper, by the way, is the data that's about to get dialed next. We've got how many calls that we've made today, how many have been dropped, how many have been answered, so what therefore our drop percentage rate is, and then we've got what method we're dialing in, as our dialer can work in a few different methods. So this is a ratio mode. So it's an automated mode where we're manually setting the ratio at which it dials at, which in this case is the one call per agent. And then we've got the types of leads that we're able to dial from this campaign. So leads that have previously been dropped or been set as callbacks, or no answers, or busies, or answer machines, or new leads. And we've got the order in which we're dialing the data as well. So we're dialing our list from the top down at the moment. So we've currently got one agent logged in. They're paused in training at the moment, and they've been in that state for almost 13 minutes there. They're working in campaign 101, and they've made 10 calls today. It's saying generic agent 102 there, but you can easily set that to be an agent's name. Okay. And then obviously we've got various different colour codes for the amount of time they've been in each state. So in addition to the standard screen there, we've also got some other display options. So we can choose to switch to a different campaign, or we can also switch to a different user groups view. You can set up individual user groups or administrator user groups that restrict that user to specific campaign information, data sets, reports, etc. So you can sort of logically separate users on the same physical server. We can choose the rate at which we refresh the screen, and from this screen we can also listen in real time to an agent session, or even barge that session. So monitoring would just be listening in as a supervisor. Barging is where you can actually three-way conference in and contribute to that call as well. Okay. So that concludes the real-time report video.